I'm 40 in my right car. Bitches change, yeah. I'm 40 in my right car. Bitches change, yeah. I like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my man.
What is up, Not a Gang Squad? It's your girl back with another video, and we're back with a different type of video. If you've been following me on social media, girl just graduated, and I still press my hair for the first time ever in my life. So that journey was kind of fun to have, kind of cool. But now I'm trying to get my hair back to being curly in its natural state. So this video is going to be me reverting my hair back to being curly. So in the corner right here, I'm going to post some pictures if you haven't seen on Instagram yet, but I'm going to post some right here of how my hair was when I silk pressed it. Right now my hair is still kind of pressed a little bit, just got in a little bun right now. But we're gonna get started and we're gonna get straight into this video. If you are new to Not a Gang Squad, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are coming back because you are already subscribed, welcome gang, nothing but a good gang. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications when I drop new videos. And also hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get straight into the video. We are definitely in a different location right now. We are in my kitchen, and that's because I had to come get my rice water. So this video actually started 2 days ago because I had to let my rice water soak in water for the past, I left it for 48 hours because the longer it is, the better that I think that the rice water works. Currently got my rice water from Exotic Hair Care. I'll leave the handle right here. Also, because the girl always comes with gift. If you go and you buy your rice water from Exotic Hair Care, if you type in the code Megan in a discount code bar, you'll get 20% off. And that's on period because we only come with gifts. And this rice water is going to be the key to get my hair back to where it was. So first we're going to strain this. We're going to get all the water out, put it in my spray bottle, and we're going to get rolling. So for straining the rice water and getting everything, you are going to need first a spray bottle to put it in and a little strainer. Also, when you buy your rice water from Exotic Hair Care, it comes with this cute little strainer that you can use to strain the rice from the water, which is why you need to just go get your rice water from there in the first place, like nowhere else. Just get it going. And the flavor that I have is the lavender one. I can post a little picture right here of what it looks like when you go on the website. This is the lavender one. Smells really good. It really is amazing, and I'm about to show you why. So I'm gonna put this inside on top of my bottle right here, and we're gonna strain our rice water. So I'll be back when that's done. So first, I'm just gonna take our hair out, and I'm gonna part it in sections. As you can tell, my hair is still pretty straight. The reason why it kind of looks like this is because I had it in a braided ponytail, because I took advantage of the fact that my hair was straight so that it will cooperate if I do a braided ponytail. So I'll post a picture right here of my braided ponytail, and that's what happened. So now we're just gonna kind of like when it's straight, it cooperates way better, but it's fine. I'm just gonna spray it. Sections and not doing it in big old parts because I really want to like get each strand just to make sure that I'm not missing anything. As you can tell, it is very much reverting back so nicely. is what we got after we wet the whole hair with the rice water. It is definitely coming back. My curls is almost there, but we're not there yet. So I'm gonna leave the rice water in my hair for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, put some deep conditioner, wash our hair, and get everything else going. So we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so now that I've left the rice water in my hair for a little bit, I'm gonna take this clay mask, also with this Chevy hair growth gel. Started using it a little bit, but this is what it looks like. It has shea butter, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, black castor oil, Chevy, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but blood orange essential oil, olive oil, argan oil, and it works great for me. As you can tell, I've been using it, and this mask, I love it. It makes my hair feel great after I wash it, so that's what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna mix the two together. We'll get it rolling. I use this a lot. It's barely anything in there. Hope I have enough for my hair today. So I'm just take about this much and about the same of the other product, mix it together. And then we just finger it through. Thoroughly spread entire hair. I'm gonna leave this for 10 minutes, up to 10 minutes. Don't want to go past that because I listen to what's on the instructions, and that's how much I've left it every time. Most I've ever done was 15 minutes. Leave this in my hair for 10 minutes. I'm gonna shampoo, condition our hair, and then come back and put in our curling cream, and I think we should be all set. So this is how we're looking so far though, guys. Like, who would have thought that I had a silk press? Who would have known? Who would have thought? But we'll be back. So this is straight out the shower. Washed, shampooed, conditioned, all of the above, and this is what we're looking like. As you can tell, it is still much healthy. Don't get my hair messed up with yours, period. Still healthy. And if you stay on this journey with me, yours will be too. Because all you gotta do is just follow what I'm doing. It's simple, it's easy. And I will help you get your hair as healthy as mine. This is what we're doing. And we're just gonna put in like 2 braids after we put some curling cream in it. And of course, again, this is from Exotic Hair Care line. And again, if you need 20% off, use code Megan. I'll put the Instagram handle right there. That's all you need to do, so that you can get the products that I use, so that you can use it on your hair. So we're just gonna get started with putting our curling cream and braiding it into 2 so that in the morning it'll be all curly and nice. Y'all see what I see, because look at this. Look at this. Use code Megan for 20% off. That's all I'm saying. That's all I gotta say, because you see it. And we are back. This is how our hair has come out. I'm so excited because no heat damage, no split ends, no damage at all. Hair back to normal from my silk press. Follow what I did so that you can get the same results, because y'all see the curls. Just gotta let it dry a little bit. I might braid it down so that I can have this result in the morning for work. So I'm definitely just gonna do a braid down tonight, let it dry. We're gonna be Gucci in the morning, period. But I love how it came out. Definitely go get you your curling cream from Exotic Hair Care. Definitely did that. Like look how my hair came out. Like, come on now. Come on. Like, y'all see the results. And that's on period. So, thank you guys for tuning in for another Not Game video. Hair care, hair strengthening, hair growth journey, period. That's all we doing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. You can DM me on my Instagram. I'll leave that handle right here. You can also just comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications when I drop new videos, because we are dropping a lot more. I'm brainstorming a lot more videos to do, brainstorming a lot more cooking and hair videos. So stay tuned for that. Do not miss out. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, Not a Game, we out.